Welcome to Ria Imagination. Today I will teach you how to sew a tablet cover. I am making this out of a pant, but you can make out of any cloth. First fold a cloth half away, and then this is already folded from the upper side. Okay, take tablet, keep inside and measure with the help of chalk or marker to what extent you need. Now take it out. Then measure half inches of margin here and 1 inches of margin over here. Then this is the tablet and this is already sewed from this side. I will put elastic over here, so I will take this stitch out from where I want to attach this elastic. So I have already took the stitch out. Now I will cut this. See, I am cutting it after leaving half inches margin over here and 1 inch of margin over here. Now with the help of chalk mark it. Okay, then mark the part where you want to attach this elastic for a belt with buckle. Now I have marked it and sew with the help of sewing machine. I have already stitched it. See, when I turn it to the front side of this tablet cover, it will look like this. Okay, and now I will put elastic into the hole from one side. Okay, see, I am putting this elastic from one side. Take this out from the inner side and take this out from the another side of hole which I have already leaved while my stitching. So I took this out. From one side you keep small side short elastic, and from other side you keep long elastic as per your waist where you want to wear it. Now this is short from one side and long from other side. Now again unfold it toward the back side of this tablet cover, and then I am gonna stitch this elastic, okay, with the help of sewing machine. Now stitch this side, mark with the chalk over here as well, and with the help of sewing machine I will sew it over here. I have already sewed it. Okay, if I unfold it, it will look like this. See, okay. Then I would like to attach these buckles at the end of this elastic. So I have took this buckle from my old bag, but you can buy this as well from the market. Take this out and fold. Over here I will make a stitch with the help of sewing machine. Mark it and I will stitch it with the help of sewing machine. Another buckle I am gonna keep inside the elastic. See, I have take this out and fold, and over here I will stitch with the help of sewing machine. Let me mark. Now I will stitch it. See, I am stitching it. 2 stitches. Do this stitch 3 to 4 times so that it will lock and not come out whenever you will wear it. Okay, I have stitched one buckle. Now I will put another buckle into the elastic and again I will stitch. Here I am stitching it. In same manner I have stitched the previous one. Now I will take a sling of sling bag. So you can buy this from the market, and you can take this of old cloth. Put this at the stitch part at side of this. See, I am gonna stitching it. Keep and stitch this bag sling. Actually I have took this bag sling of my old bag. You can buy this from the market if you want to buy. Okay, now cut. In the similar manner stitch the another part of this sling. Now I am gonna make the flap of this tablet. For this I will measure this front part half away. This is almost 6.5, so I will take 6.5 of cloth, and I will take 2 panels of 6.5 cloth and fold them and measure. Okay, 2 panels I am taking, fold half away, and just I have given the round shape at the end so that it will look like a riddle, and then I am gonna stitch it after leaving half inches of margin toward the outer side. See, I am stitching it. This is the flap which I am gonna apply on my tablet cover. You can make your tablet cover without this flap as well. Now I have unfolded. This is the front side now of this flap. Okay, then I will take this, and both tablet cover and this flap are of front sides. Okay, keep this at the back side of this tablet cover and stitch this, I mean to join this with the tablet cover. Okay, I am joining this. I have stitched once and this twice so that it will not lose its grip. Cut this extra thread. Now your flap is ready. To stick this with it, I will apply a velcro. Okay, so this is the velcro I will apply so that I can make this flap to stuck with my this tablet cover. So take this velcro and stitch at one side of this flap, which I am gonna fold. Afterward I am stitching it. Now take another side of velcro, keep it on tablet cover and measure where you want to keep it. Now I have marked it over here, and I will keep this with the help of my finger over here only, and then I will take it to sew. Now I am gonna stitch it with tablet cover, with one side of tablet cover. I am stitching it. Stitch all 4 sides of this velcro. Cut. And now I am gonna put my tablet into this tablet cover. I fold the flap on it, right? See, this is the sling which I will wear at my shoulder, and this is the belt which I will wear at my waist. Tablet cover is ready. Keep watching Nia Imagination, and please subscribe Nia Imagination for more videos. Give your suggestions. Thank you.